Hello, back again for another vlog. Today, I did nothing. Basically, nothing at all. I've just been so sick. I've been coughing like crazy that I just don't really have any motivation to really do anything. I'm just kind of waiting for my interview. I didn't even write in my journal yesterday, which is bad. So yeah, I need to catch up on that. And yeah, I keep telling myself that I'm gonna do some more stuff tomorrow. Like, tomorrow I'll do this, tomorrow I'll do that. But then I don't actually end up doing it. So, you know what? Right now, I'm gonna go to my to-do list and I'm gonna write what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna write all the things I want to do tomorrow. Then hopefully I'll actually do them. Yeah, I'll make it very simple though. I'll start with one goal. I have one goal tomorrow, which is go to the clinic to get my blood work done. And that's it. I'm going to forget about my other daily goals. I'm going to focus on that. And that's it. And hopefully I do it. And if I do, that's great. Then I can keep doing whatever it is I want to do. If not, then I'll punish myself by not playing video games or forcing myself to take a break from the computer, because that's all I spend my time on, So maybe that'll get me more motivated to do other things, but we'll see if I actually stay true to that. So yeah, it's 1 a.m. I'm gonna go to sleep pretty soon. So yeah, I'll end the vlog here. Bye-bye.